The Sukhoi Su-30 is a twin-engine, two-seat supermaneuverable fighter aircraft developed in the Soviet Union by Russia's Sukhoi Aviation Corporation. It is a multirole fighter for all-weather, air-to-air and air-to-surface deep interdiction missions. In this video, the crews of the Su-30 SM fighters of the Operational Tactical Aviation of the Western Military District confirmed their qualification level and took up combat duty in the skies over the Kursk region. The pilots performed a number of missions to intercept air targets without using airborne weapons, to destroy especially strong shelters with large air bombs from a height of no more than 300 meters in the conditions of the air defense systems of a simulated enemy. The crews conducted an offensive and defensive air battle with a simulated enemy. Two strategic missile carriers Tu-95 MS long-range aviation performed a planned flight over the neutral waters of the Black Sea. The fighter escort was provided by the crews of the Su-27 aircraft of the Air Force and Air Defense Association of the Southern Military District. Performance R, maximum speed, 2,120 km per hour at high altitude, range, 3,000 km at high altitude, service ceiling, 17,300 meters, G limits, +9, rate of climb, 45,000 feet per minute, wing loading, 401 kg/m2 with 56% fuel, 468.3 kg/m2 with full internal fuel. General characteristics are: crew, 2, length, 72 feet, wingspan, 48 feet 3 in, height, 20 feet 10 in, wing area, 670 square feet, empty weight, 39,022 pounds, gross weight, 54,895 pounds, max takeoff weight, 76,059 pounds, power plant, 2 times Saturn AL-31FL afterburning turbofan engines, 16,700 lbf thrust each dry and 27,560 lbf with afterburner. "12 hard points with a capacity of up to 8,000 kilograms, 18,000 pounds, with provisions to carry combinations of rockets, missiles, bombs and avionics guns, 1 times 30 mm Gryazev-Shipunov GSH-31 autocannon with 150 rounds. Hope you guys loved the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to all, so you can get the notification on each upload.